Well, we have a traffic alert now at 5 after a holiday break. Construction on Highway 65 near Evans Road starts back up this week, and MoDOT wants drivers to be aware of traffic impacts. Between the hours of 8 p.m. and 6 a.m. every day this week, drivers may see lane closures and lane shiftings. MoDOT also is reminding drivers that the speed limit is reduced to 55 miles an hour in the work zone. Crews are working to widen Highway 65 to 3 lanes in both directions between Evans Road and Route CC, and they're going to rehabilitate the Evans Road Bridge. The bridge is expected to be reopened by July 19th, with the rest of the project completed by late summer.